A P3O can add real value to senior management decision-making and governance capability as long as it has an appropriate model for the organization, is adequately resourced, and communicates with decision-making bodies. An effective P3O should also ensure its services are aligned with other service providers within the organization, such as finance, procurement, or audit. Many P3Os are restructured or closed because they do not realize the forecasted benefits defined in their business case. This may be because the individual offices do not exist within a coherent P3O model, or the offices within the model do not work together effectively. For example, new temporary program and project offices are often set up using a mixture of standards and templates. This can lead to continuous reinvention and inefficiencies, as the tools and techniques to be used must be agreed for each new program and project. To avoid these inefficiencies, best management practices can be created and managed by a COE. These practices can be applied to programs and projects across the portfolio. Another example of P3O inefficiencies relates to misaligned initiatives produced by different business units. In this case, different departments may work on improving the organization without considering governance policies, risk standards, or performance management and reporting. This may lead to significant process inefficiencies or misaligned governance across these disparate business change initiatives. It is not unusual to have varying PPM maturity across business units with different requirements and priorities for improvement. However, consolidating the requirements across all business units may identify that investing in an organization-wide program of improvement may deliver greater value.